Hello everyone, welcome to Fortune Tutorial. Today I will share you how to write a formal letter step by step. So let's get started. First you have to write date and destination, address of recipient, and then you have to write subject. But you have to remember truly and morality of the main letters. You have to write the subject clearly, and then also you have to start with the letters salutation like dear sir or madam, and then you have to write these sentences which I share you now. First, I have the honor to state that. Second, I most respectfully, I beg most respectfully. Third, I on behalf of. Fourth, with due respect. After this sentence, you will write everything. After the main body of letter, you have to write the other sentences, and second paragraph you have to end. And so you will end after this sentence, which is I share you now. May I therefore pray and hope that you would kindly grant me. You will start with this sentence, you know. And after the end of the letter you have to remind some rules. That is subscription means I mean or I sincerely I I'm here faithfully. So you do share the I am and you will also start with faithfully, sincerely, I remain, etc. And then after the subscription you have to write. If you are an employee, you will write your employee's address, your, and then if you are a student you also write class room number, etc. Thanks for watching this video.